Hello, I'm scrunching down so you can see me because I don't have my selfie stick. Adork, here's your lesson, your experiment for the endocrine system. A stressor is any event that triggers a stress response, which is what the body does to react to stress. Have you ever been stressed? The event could be physical, social, or emotional in nature. The stressor can be something that is real or something we perceive or think will happen. Our body's response to stress may cause body strain to develop. Body strain refers to the wear and tear on our bodies and minds as we try and cope with stress. When we experience stress, our bodies go into a state called the fight or flight response. Remember that? Think of what happens to your body when you are afraid or nervous about an event. Oh, my tummy. Certain biological changes happen to all of us in response to stress. Nerve changes occur within the brain in a small section called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus produces a hormone known as CRH. Ready for this? Cortisol-releasing hormone. And this is what I have. I boiled red cabbage and made a purple indicator. Okay. These nerves produce chemicals called hormones that stimulate a gland in the brain called the pituitary gland. This is what represents my pituitary gland tonight. Pour some of the, we're going to pour a little bit in here, so I'm stressing it, right? Pour a little in here. And I've made it pink. See the difference? Okay. Okay. I put some CRH to tell the pituitary that I'm stressed. And now the pituitary has to, in return, send out some hormones. The pituitary gland releases the hormones called ACTH. ACTH, are you ready for this one? Listen. Adrenocorticotropic hormones that stimulate the cortex of the adrenal glands to produce yet another hormone called cortisol. So I got to put some of my ACTH into my pretty water. Okay. See the difference now? Good. In order to cope with long-term stress, an additional hormone is needed. Cortisol, I'm making it right now. Cortisol is a hormone secreted by the outer layer of the adrenal gland, or the cortex of the adrenal gland, and is controlled by the pituitary gland. Cortisol helps to increase blood sugar levels to make sure body cells have enough sugar to make energy, ATP. However, too much stress and too much cortisol can make us sick because cortisol reduces the ability of the white blood cells to fight infection. I'm going to add some of my cortisol into my stress. To try and get it back to the light. Remember the lighter pink I had? Okay. I've hit homeostasis. Stress hormone gets more stress hormones. They get another hormone to get us back to normal. I hope you enjoyed it. I put this on your Padlet in case you want to play with experiments at home. I'll find more for you and share them as we go. Sorry I couldn't see you in person today, but I'll see you on Friday. Bye.